Standard 6th, Subject English, The Worth of Fabric, Part 1. Here is a story of a great Tamil saint poet named Tiruvulluvar. More than 2000 years ago, he had written a book of his teaching named as Tirukkural, which is still now greatly loved and respected. He was a textile weaver, wove beautiful fabrics and saris. People said that Tiruvulluvar never got angry, never used bad words, never shouted at anyone. In the same town, there lived a rich young man. He wasted most of his time roaming around with his friends and making fun of other people. When he heard about Tiruvulluvar, he said he will make him angry, and he approached to the market to meet Tiruvulluvar. When he met him, he picked up his beautiful piece of fabric and asked him the price of the whole fabric. Tiruvulluvar answered 8 coins. Then the young man folded the fabric and tore it into 2 halves and then asked the price. Tiruvulluvar answered 4 coins. The young man was surprised that Tiruvulluvar was not angry. Still, he tore the cloth into more pieces and asked Tiruvulluvar the price of the fabric. He answered 2 coins. After some time, he again tore the cloth into small pieces and asked the price. The young man was very impatient. Tiruvulluvar answered him, "Now the fabric have become worthless, so it has no price. I don't want any money for it." Tiruvulluvar said that he would not charge anything for the rags. The young man did not know what to say, but he was proud of his riches, so he offered to pay 8 coins to the saint for the first time. Tiruvulluvar smiled, but he refused to take the money. He said, "Young man, now this fabric is of no use. It has become worthless because no one will be able to wear it now."